In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use the Pomodoro Focus Timer. If you're looking to stay on track and work in focused bursts, this tool makes it simple. I'll show you how to turn it on, where to find it, and 2 easy ways to start a session, either on its own or linked to a specific task. First, let's enable the feature. Open your app, tap your profile picture, and go into Settings. From there, find the Features section and look for Pomodoro Timer. Toggle it on, that's all you need to do to activate it. This switch simply makes the timer available in your interface. It doesn't change anything else about your account until you choose to use it. If you're on mobile or desktop, the path is the same. Profile picture, settings, features, Pomodoro timer, toggle on. Once it's enabled, you can access it right from your navigation. On mobile, look toward your bottom or side navigation bar. On desktop, check the left sidebar. You're looking for a bullseye icon. This is the focus timer. Seeing that icon means the timer is ready to go, no matter which device you're using. If you want to start quickly without attaching the session to anything, click the bullseye icon to open the focus timer. Then hit start to begin a standard session. This is perfect when you just want to get into a flow immediately, like reading, brainstorming, or clearing out your inbox. It uses the default settings, so there's nothing else you need to configure to begin focusing right away. If you prefer to tie your focus directly to a task, you can start a session from the task itself. Open the task you want to work on, tap the 3-dot menu, and choose Start Focus or Start Pomo. This links your session to that specific task, which is helpful for keeping your work organized and makes it easier to see where your time is going. It also keeps you mentally anchored to one clear outcome, which is especially useful if you're juggling multiple priorities. To recap, enable the Pomodoro timer in Settings under Features. Find the bullseye icon in your navigation. Start a standard session from the icon when you want to dive in fast, or start from a task via the 3-dot menu to link your session to your work. With these options, you can focus with intention and keep your progress clear and simple. Now you're ready to get more done with less effort.